And who says manifestations don't work? It does work. Watch this video and you understand. I'm manifesting a new MacBook Pro M2 this year and a camera this year. I manifested a laptop and a camera by December 2024. And today, guys, I am here to unbox. Ta-da! Yeah. So I was stuck between this or the Sony ZV-E 10 Mark II, but I decided to go for this. So join me, let's unbox. So I got the Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo with SanDisk Extreme Pro SD card. Let's unbox this. Who's ready? All right. Okay. Oh God. Thank you. I've already safety. So it's supposed to come with the camera itself, then a protective cover, a DJI Mic 2 transmitter, the handle, the battery handle, a mini tripod, the Type-C, a bag. Let's just see what's in it. So that's all that came in it. You have this, should be the manual, have different manuals, all this, that, the app, a must-have app for DJI users. So I need to download the app. Then manual. Let's see what's in this. Oh, finally, this huge box. Oh, that's the protective case. So that's the protective cover. Let's check what else is in here. So we have one here, maybe here. Let's open this. Oh, there it is. Look, this is so portable, like DJI. Wait, do you hear that? Yeah. Then so this is the bag. This should be the battery. That's the battery. The handle. Mini tripod. Microphone. Transmitter. The mic is not a microphone itself. I should say. Oh yeah, so you have the strap and the fluffy thing there, the Type-C, the macro lens, the wide angle lens, and drum roll, the camera itself. So guys, that's everything that came in the bag. So there's the camera itself, the Osmo Pocket 3. Look, I have my TV remote here, and it's even, you see, yeah. That's how portable, that's how convenient this camera is. Then the case, it comes in. That's the case it comes in. Then all that. So let's fix everything together. I'm going to fix everything with you those. Okay, good. This is the handle, the one you can fix on a tripod. I'll try that. See, battery handle. Then it comes with a mini tripod as well. I can't wait to just explore, like, guys, I'm going to explore with this. There's the mini tripod it comes with. Okay, there's the thingy for the microphone, and the strap for the camera itself. So the strap is supposed to go through here. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but should I fix that now? Let's see if I'm able to, because this thing is, it's going to take forever. I'll fix that later. So this is the external handle. That's the handle. Okay, without holding the release button. When you are detaching, that's when you press on the release button. So if it goes like that, and it just snaps on. So with this on, you can charge it, or you can use it on the tripod. Can you see that? You can connect it to a tripod or charge with a Type-C. It even extends the handle. It makes it longer compared to it being. So if you want to take it off, you press on this, then you take it. Well, I learned when you put it on, make sure both sides are properly locked. So you see this part is not locked. That means it can come off easily, but the other one is locked. So you put it on well. Don't press it when you are putting on. Make sure it snaps in. Good. Now it's fully locked and your DJI is protected. You take it off that way. And we have the, so yeah, we have the battery extender as well. Have I used the battery one? Yeah, I think this is longer. Yeah, so the battery, it says it's an external battery, like, yeah. So a backup battery, when you go out, is fully charged. You have this already. You can use it whenever you want, and it makes it even longer. Look. But yeah, I don't need that now. Let's take it off. So all the things it comes with, these, let me line it up. So it comes with this. Let me zip it back. You can tell I'm really happy. I'm really happy. So that's all it comes with. It comes with this, that, the camera itself, the tripod, the microphone with a thing. Let me snap it on. So that's how you fix it. Can you see? I'll just put it in here and it's fixed. It's simple. And just clip it on. There's the Type-C charger. So these are all the things the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 comes with. That's everything it comes with on here. So time to tell. Let's turn this on, shall we? So I'm taking this off. So rotate screen, power on off, shutter button that starts and press once. So yeah, let's rotate it. Let's take it off. Ooh, yeah, rotating the screen, and it's on now. What are you seeing, guys? So English, let's set it up. Language, English. Device name, okay, I'll do that. Then this is how it looks. This is it. Can you see, guys? That's my Osmo Pocket 3. That's it. There's no SD card in it now, so I'm going to film with it and let you guys know how like, God, this is so heavy. This looks nice. Let's fix this. All right, I'm going to do a trial vlog with this and get back to you. Let's fix the SD card, shall we? So that's the SD card slot, I believe. This is what I got. I've showed it to you already. All right, love. So that's the memory card. There's the memory card. That's don't know how it goes in, but let's see. However, so yeah, so it faces downwards. Put it in like that. Then I don't have. I need something to push on there. No, I'm not sure that's it. Because if it goes this way, no, it doesn't. Oh, it goes here. Why am I finding it difficult putting in my SD card? I don't know why I'm finding it difficult putting in the SD card. Oh, yes. Yeah. So I just needed to push it in a little bit. So my SD card is in now. Then once you turn this on, it's going to work. So I'm going to fix it, then I'll film from this. All right. Hi, loves. I'm back now. So I am filming on my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 now. It came with this microphone which connects. Once you turn it on, it connects to the DJI, and you can tell it is recording because you can see a green bar on the screen. I'm using the phone I was using to record, my 15 Pro Max, to do the firmware update. I've downloaded the Memo app, which you need to extend it, and it will automatically track. That's the good thing I like about it. See how it is tracking my face? So babies, you can tell you about create content, create mad content. So yeah, I will be adding this video to the video I started with my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and mind you, I was filming 4K 30 frames per second, and now on the DJI, let me check if I'll be able to record this so you can see. So on the DJI that I'm filming now, I'm currently filming on a DJI, like I said, and it is recording at 4K 30 FPS. Auto tracking has been activated, and about the green line I said, if you can really see when I'm talking, it keeps moving. Yes, so that's when I know the microphone has been connected. To adjust exposure, so I'm just going to play with this. I'm going to keep on playing with this to see how it goes, but for the meantime, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Okay guys, I'm loving it. So I'm going to do some few tweaks and get back to you. So loves, this is me recording on a DJI without a microphone.